Are you prepared?
I am so ready for this.
Okay, I'm gonna count down.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Look at her go! She's flying! Oh goodness, I can't keep up. Light. Our neighbors think we're crazy.
What are we doing with the bucket?
I don't know, just skip it.
Oh, I touched the wall.
Oh no! You can touch the wall on this one. Cheater! Cheater, cheater.
Okay, I'll go back.
No, no, go, it's fine. Okay. That's an interesting way of doing it. Oh. Are you okay?
Yes.
Keep going, keep going. Yay!
I'm ready.
So ready.
Yes.
On your mark, get set, go!
Oh. Oh, I don't know what that was. Oh, shoot.
Go, 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 go! You touched the floor, cheater.
I did, I'm sorry. Oh. Ah!
Woo! How do you feel at this moment?
A little nervous, but I'm excited.
You can do it. I will give you the count.
Okay.
Fixing the lunchbox. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Oh, this. This.
Ah,
Oh.
zoom in on boobs. I can't zoom out.
Stand up and then.
You can try again.
Oh, I feel bad for your chair.
Feel bad for your pillows.
I feel like I'm just kind of not doing very well on this thing right here. Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Pot. No, pot. That was a chair. Then a pot.
Okay.
And then we go through the hole.
Look at her go. Such skills, sort of. I basically just focused on your butt there for about 10 whole seconds. Oh, no. Crawl, crawl. Oh, pillow. Chair. Bed.
Cushion.
This is beautiful acrobatics.
I have to be in the Olympics.
Yeah, I wouldn't go that far. Don't take that to the Olympics. You can do it. This is the worst part.
This is the scariest part.
Go! Oh, she made it. Oh, I missed you. Ta-da!